Good morning to everyone. Let me introduce myself. I am Manjula, Assistant Professor of St.Joseph College for Women, Tirupur. I am already discussed what is computer and the introduction of Visual Basic. Now I am explain about components and controls of Visual Basic. Let us talk about event-driven programming. While using an application, a user normally performs actions such as pressing a key, clicking a mouse, selecting a checkbox or list item, etc. Such actions are known as events. In event-driven programs, the statements are not executed in the sequence in which they are written. They only get executed when a corresponding event occurs. Visual Basic windows contain the menu bar, toolbar, toolbox and some other windows such as the form window, solution explorer window, properties window and the error list, etc. Visual Basic integrated development environment bundles all these tools and provides us an interface where we can design, edit, compile and execute the application of a single platform. Then discuss about components of Visual Basic. Title bar. The title bar is present at the top of the window and displays the name of the currently opened project. Menu bar. Menu bar contains menu items and submenus. These items give access to various options which help in developing the application. Toolbar. Toolbar contains icons that give access to frequently used menu items. These icons act as shortcuts to the options available in the menu bar. Form window. Form is an interface through which a user interacts with the application. A form contains many control elements such as label, text box, comment button, etc. Using these controls, a user can enter data and give instruction to the application. The form window provides us with a blank form where we can place various controls as per our requirements. Properties window. Properties are the attributes that design the appearance and behavior of object. Forms have many properties such as name, font, color, border style, padding, size, text, etc. The properties window contains all an object drop-down list and a list of properties. This window is used to set the properties of forms and the other controls placed on them. The bottom section of the properties window shows a description of the selected property. Solution Explorer. This window displays a list of forms and other objects that constitute the application. This list is organized in the form of a branching structure like Windows Explorer. To open any object, we can double click on its icon in the Solution Explorer window. As we name sections, the toolbox contain various controls such as button, text box, label, etc. These controls can be added to the forms by dragging and placing them at the desired location. Code window. Code window is used to write codes for any object. To write codes, double-click the object on the form. This action opens the code window where we can write the required Visual Basic statements. Okay. Let us take a quick view. Press F7 key to open the code window. Let me tell you how to develop a VB application. To develop an application using VB, there are many coding pages can create a one form. Next one, commonly used controls. Label box. A label is used to display descriptive text for a control. Let us known the common properties of label control. Name. The name property identifies a label while writing the program. Font. This property sets the font size, font style, etc. for the label. Forecolor. This property changes the foreground color of the label, used for displaying text. This property is used to display the text on the label. Visible. This property determines whether the control is visible or hidden. Next main commonly used control is text box. A text box is used to receive input from the user. We can enter text and numbers in this box. The common properties of the text box control are name. The name property identifies a text box while writing the program. Text. This property is used to display the text in the text box. Font. This property is used to set the font size, font style, etc. for the text box. Locked. This property determines whether we can move or resize the control. Max length. This property is used to set the maximum length of text that can be entered in the text box. Multi-line. This property decides whether the text will be displayed in a single line or in multiple lines. By default, this property is set as false. Let's know more. PHP stands for Hypertext Preprocessor. It is a widely used open source general purpose scripting language, specially suited for web development. I hope you understand, guys. Thanks for watching.